Hello all guys. This video is about vaccine against COVID-19, which is trending topic nowadays. So basically, first we will see what is vaccine. Okay, what are vaccines? A lot of vaccines are available, and vaccines are highly specific for the disease for which it is created. Highly specific, like we are seeing now. Vaccine against COVID-19 is highly specific against that virus only. We know that SARS coronavirus 2 is the virus that caused COVID-19 disease. We have already seen its structure like these 5 proteins which get attached to cell receptors, right, present on human cell, and then it gets entry into the human cell. Okay, and that cell gets infected. We have seen this in previous videos, right? So basically, what will this virus do? Basically, these 5 proteins are very important for the entry of virus inside the cell. So these are known as spike protein. Okay, we have seen this in the previous videos also. If you have not watched it, do watch because that is also very important for this learning about vaccine. How does it work? Okay, so these spike proteins are important to gain entry in the cell. Okay, and that it will cause infection, right? So basically, vaccines are also targeted vaccine production on this spike protein. Vaccines currently there are 3 vaccines available in India. Okay, so first is Covaxin, which is wholly made in India, and then Covishield, and latest approved Sputnik V. This is currently recently approved vaccine. So Covaxin is the whole virus vaccine. Whole virus means whole virus is incorporated, but it is killed. You have to remember that this is killed virus, which is used for this production of Covaxin. And this Covishield and Sputnik, these are known as recombinant vaccine. What are recombinant vaccine? Basically, these are also known as vector vaccine. Okay, vector vaccine. Basically, vector means in this not SARS virus is not included. Similar type of virus is included, which is basically adenovirus. Adenovirus is there, and that virus has been recombinant, means there are some changes made into this virus so that it can produce the spike proteins of the SARS virus, right? And basically we have incorporated mRNA of the SARS virus. Okay, mRNA is incorporated inside these vaccines. Covishield and Sputnik, mRNA is incorporated. So mRNA will produce this spike proteins, right? And that spike proteins will be produced in the body, and body will get immunity against those virus. So basically, how immunity is developed, that also we have seen that antibodies production, very important is the antibody production and memory cells. Memory cells are generated. These two are very important for the immunity to develop. Okay, so antibodies are highly specific against that particular virus. So basically all the 3 vaccines available are equally effective. We can say that 70 to 90 is the efficacy. Okay, so all are equally important. So we will see how antibodies are produced. Basically, we know that there is first dose and second dose of vaccine, right? So what will first dose do? First dose will only produce, see there is graph. Basically, graph is there. Here IgG and IgM. Okay, these two antibodies are produced, IgG and IgM. So first dose in IgM is produced much. Okay, and in second dose IgG is produced in increased amounts. So IgG and is the very important for the production. Okay, there is a level of IgG and that is very important. So that will give you long lasting immunity. Okay, and how much time this is active in the body, that we have not known, but they are active for long lasting, as well as memory cells are produced. So memory cells will help for the second during the second exposure of the virus. Okay, so basically this is just a basic idea, but in short what I have to say is first dose will give immunity, but protective immunity or long lasting immunity will be provided by the second dose. Okay, then now we will see what are the side effects. Are there any side effects of the vaccine? So yes, side effects are there. Common side effects, we will say that there are not, this is not the side effect, this is the immunity production basically. Common side effects like fever, body pain, okay, flu-like symptoms basically can be seen in some people. So these are the most common and these go away usually in 2 days. So everybody has to take vaccine according to their time or according to their priorities or according to their schedule, but have to take it as this is important for herd immunity to develop. Okay, herd immunity. Now what is herd immunity? We will see that in short. Herd immunity. Herd immunity is most of the population has taken vaccine. Okay, vaccine or natural infection acquired, but we see that antibodies have been produced in the population. Suppose out of 100, we will see that out of 100, 80% get infected. Okay, or take vaccine, 80%. Then their 80% will be having antibody against that virus. And they will give the immunity to the remaining 20%. Okay, so this is just a basic example of herd immunity. So herd immunity is important for fighting against that disease, basically this COVID pandemic. So this vaccine will help for the pandemic to go away. Okay, so everybody take vaccine and also follow the precautions. Okay, precautions have to be followed after vaccination also, as we can get infected after vaccine also. Okay, but how will vaccine help us? Vaccine will help us from the protection against severe COVID. This has to be remembered. Protection against severe COVID. This is very important. You have to remember, because most of the people take vaccine and do not follow the precautions. They take it very lightly. But following precaution is equally important after vaccination also. Severe COVID protection means what? Hospitalizations get decreased by vaccine, but you can get infected. Pneumonia cases decreases. Okay, there is a reduced extent of pneumonia cases, as well as cytokine storm. We saw cytokine storm causes lots of death. Pneumonia also happens, clotting happens. So that can be prevented by this vaccination. So like this, vaccine will help us against the fight against COVID-19. So basically, this is the idea of how vaccine works, how vaccine will protect us, and why vaccine is important. So this we have covered in this video. That's it. So thank you guys. If you like this video, please share this with your family and friends, and do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever new video is out.